Welcome back to my Python series. Today, we will talk about something every program needs, a way to remember things. And in Python, we do that by using something called variables. What is a variable? You can think of a variable like a box which contains an item. Just like how you can give a name to a box, variables are given names. Variables help computer programs remember information. How to create variables. Write the name of the variable on the left side of the equal sign and the value on the right side of the equal sign. In this case, the variable myname equals Alice. The name of the box is my name, and inside the box my name is Alice. Above creates a variable whose name is my name, and the value contained inside the variable or box is Alice. Let us create a variable with the name age and value 12. Age equals 12. The name of the box is age, and 12 is inside the box age. Let us create a variable with the name score and value 95.5. Score equals 95.5. The name of the box is score, and 95.5 is in box score. Rules for variable names. Must start with a letter or underscore. One name is not a valid variable name. Why? Because variable names are supposed to start with a letter or an underscore, but one name starts with one, and one is neither a letter nor an underscore. So yeah, it cannot start with a number. No spaces. Use underscore instead. My name is not a valid variable name. Why? Because my name contains a space in it, and spaces are not allowed in variable names. Variable names are case sensitive. Lowercase age is not equal to uppercase age. Now, we have learned about variables. Let us try them in Visual Studio Code. New text file. For example, we can create a variable like my name. My name here equals Akshat. And if print my name, press. Okay, we will call this work with variables.py. Save. Okay, so here it works. But what if we added a space in between? It does not work. The problem here, we have a space. We're not allowed to have spaces. Now, what if we call this one name? Nope, that does not work either. Also, to solve the problem of spaces, you can use an underscore, as I said earlier. So for example, my underscore name, that works perfectly fine. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.